Chapter 12, Travel and Communication. Warm up. Join the dots and complete the picture. This is a dash. We use this for dash. Answer. School bus. Traveling. Let's start. We move from one place to another. This movement from one place to another is called travel. There are different vehicles that help us in traveling from one place to another. These are called means of transport. Means of transport. There are three main means of transport. They are based on where they move. 1. Land transport. 2. Water transport. 3. Air transport. Land transport. The means of transport that move on land are called land transport. Car, bus, cycle and auto rickshaw are examples of land transport. There are some vehicles that are not seen in cities but are seen mostly in small towns and villages. Tonga and bullock cart are examples of such vehicles. They move on land. Horse cart, bullock cart. All these vehicles have wheels that help them move. Some vehicles help us travel shorter distances. Rickshaw and cycle are examples of such vehicles. Cycle, rickshaw, car, bus. Some vehicles help us travel longer distances. Car and bus are examples of such vehicles. These days, metro train is also used for traveling in some cities. Sometimes you visit your relatives who live in different cities and states. To visit them, we need vehicles that travel to far off places. Train is an example of such a vehicle. Do you know, people in some parts of the world use animals like horses, donkeys and camels to travel from one place to the other. Water transport. The means of transport that move in water are called water transport. Boat and ship are examples of vehicles that move in water. Boat, ship, air transport. The means of transport that travel in air are called air transport. Aeroplane and helicopter are examples of air transport. Helicopter, airplane. Air transport is the fastest mode of transport. Communication and its means. Sharing thoughts or information with another person is called communication. We need to communicate with different people to do different activities. Let us learn more about communication. There are different ways to communicate with each other. These include letters, email and telephone. Posting letter, calling, emailing. Even radio and newspaper are methods of communication. They are used for communicating facts and information about a place or a country to a large number of people at one time. Think about what would happen if there were no means of communication. Think and discuss in class. In earlier times, we used to send letters to friends and relatives living far away from us. We did not have internet at that time. Now, we use electronic mail or email. An email is sent from the computer. It reaches the other person within seconds. Vocabulary. Vehicle. Thing used for transporting people or goods. Information. Details about something or someone. Recap. We travel from one place to another. We use different means of transport for traveling from one place to another. Different means of transport are land, water, and air transport. People use different means to communicate with each other. The different means of communication are letters, email, and telephone.